The truth of life. When we wake up in the morning, we have two simple choices. Go back to sleep and dream, or wake up and chase those dreams. Choice is yours. Life is short, spend it with people who make you laugh and feel loved. Don't let someone become a priority in your life, when you are just an option in their life. Relationships work best when they are balanced. Never explain yourself to anyone because the person who likes you doesn't need it. And the person who dislikes you won't believe it. When you keep saying you are busy, then you are never free. When you keep saying you have no time, then you will never have time. When you keep saying that you will do it tomorrow, then your tomorrow will never come. We make them cry who care for us. We cry for those who never care for us. And we care for those who will never cry for us. This is the truth of life, it's strange but true. Once you realize, it's never too late to change. Don't make promises when you are in joy. Don't reply when you are sad. Don't take decision when you are angry. Think twice, act once. Time is like river. You can't touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. We are not given a good life or bad life. We are given a life, it's up to us to make it good or bad. When you are happy you enjoy the music, but when you are sad you understand the lyrics. The Japanese say you have three faces. The first face, you show to the world. The second face, you show to your close friends and your family. The third face, you never show anyone. It is the truest reflection of who you are. In life two things define you, your patience when you have nothing and your attitude when you have everything. Life is short, time is fast. No replay, no rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes. These are realities of life. I think you have learned a lot through this video. Hit the like button if you find the content useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos from the links in the description for more interesting mind healing topics. Thank you for watching.